You guys, let me show you guys all these outfits, and I'm going to be wearing them to see what it look like. So for now, let's first see what it look like this. So this is for you guys that know my dressing. I dress almost singlet, gown, singlet. Yesterday I want to do recipe. I was feeling cold. I wanted to wear something like long sleeve. It happened that it's only one long sleeve that I have in my life. And that long sleeve is already jumped. It's no longer my size. I was like, what the hell? So I have to go to get all this. So all this one is anything long sleeve, nothing like short hand or singlet. So it's only one that this one is yesterday. So it's only one that come with the short hand and short, something like this. But the rest is long sleeve because I wanted something that will cover up because of cold. So now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to wear it for me to see what it look like. I haven't tested it. So this one is up and down. This one has two pieces. It has this shirt, and then it has this trouser. It has trouser like this. So the second one is mainly shirt. So this is the second shirt. You can see it's no longer singlet. So I wanted something that will reach my hand. So I have something like this one. And then I have jeans. I don't have black jeans. I used to have different jeans, but not black like this color. So I said, let me go for these jeans. I pray it size me. I bring most of my jeans yesterday. They are not passing my hip. I bring most of my jeans yesterday. They are not passing my hip, and the same time it's adding me to clothes. So I pray this one size me perfectly. It's just like this. And then I have another trouser like this. So this is the trouser, something like this. So for this one, I'm going to check it, and then I have this shirt. So this one is net. Yeah, it's something that see this clothes. I was like, I will go for it. I used to have net wear, but I'm not using those ones anymore. And this also is a net wear. And it comes with inner singlet. I don't know if I'm going to be needing it, but for now, it's like this. And then again, I have this pink. This one looks like sweater at the same time. It's thick. So I'm going to check it now if it's going to size me. Okay, you guys. So yeah, I don't know what I will use first, but I'll first of all go with the trouser. Then from the trouser, I'll use all this stuff to match it. Stay tuned. I hope you guys love this my hair. I hope you love my hair. This is my November hair. I just love it. It's making me look